Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef leg soup updated. Start by simmering the bone-in beef leg with onion, carrot, and celery to build a rich broth. Skim foam and add garlic, peppercorns, bay leaf, and salt. Continue to simmer gently for several hours until meat is tender. Remove bones, shred meat, return to pot, add potatoes and greens, and finish with a splash of vinegar and fresh herbs. Trim excess fat from the beef leg and pat dry to reduce splatter when searing. Brown optional pieces briefly for extra color, then transfer to the pot with cold water to start a clean stock. Add whole garlic, peppercorns, and bay leaf and bring to a gentle simmer. Avoid rapid boiling to keep the broth clear. Taste near the end and adjust salt and acidity with vinegar if needed. Maintain a low, steady simmer to extract collagen without clouding the broth, and check liquid level occasionally to top up with hot water. Remove bones when meat easily pulls away, shred, and return to the pot with diced potatoes and greens for 15 to 20 minutes. Finish with fresh parsley or cilantro and a bright splash of vinegar or lemon. Serve hot with bread for a comforting, bowl-to-
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.